Hi friends, I hope that you're having a nice long weekend, and this is my garden I'm sitting in, and I'm going to share some projects that you can do this week. First of all, if you didn't have a chance to make the hummus or the ranch dressing, you can do that and help your parents to stir and measure and then share that with us on Friday's Zoom. And if you want some new activities to do, I have some to share with you. So what I did is I went around in my yard and I collected things from nature. So I collected some leaves and moss, and I cut this off of a tree. Another thing you can do while you're collecting, as long as you have your parents' permission, is you can practice using scissors outdoors in nature, and you can cut things that they say is okay for you to cut. I also collected this. I tried to find things of different textures, different colors, some grass. I pulled some grass from the ground. You can also cut the grass, which is fun to do. And so then what you're going to do, once you have a nice collection, you're going to make what is called a nature smash art project. So make sure that you feel everything first with your hands. You can even take off your socks and shoes, and you can see how all these different textures feel on your feet and on your hands. And then after you've had a chance to do that, you're going to need a spray bottle and some nice thick paper. And you start to put some of the things on the paper. Dirt is really good for making the color brown. And then grass is definitely good for making some green. I pulled some pieces off of some pink flowers. Okay, and I also thought of a fun way that you can practice your letters. So I chose the most common letters that are used in the English language, and I made these cards. You could also use popsicle sticks if you have them. And what you're going to do is ask your parents or your older brothers or sisters to hide them in your garden. So you're going to put them in the garden like this, with the letters hiding. You put the letters down at the bottom. Okay, so after they're all hidden, then you go out into your garden and you choose one, and then you bring it to your parents or your caregiver, your older brother or sister, and you tell them S says S. Then you choose another one. O says O, ah, oo. A says A, ah, ah. R says R, and so on. Enjoy. I can't wait to hear about you doing these projects at home.